Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the date on your Casio AE-1200WH, also known as the Casio Royale. So as you can see in our home screen, I will be able to press and hold the adjust button until I hear a small click. Here I will use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. If you also want to set the time, we are going to do it here. If I press the button on the right, it is going to reset the seconds. If they are between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0 and no minute will be added. If they are between 30 and 59, they will reset to 0, but also a minute will be added. Now if I press the mode button once again, we can set either the DST on and off. I'm going to go past that. Here we have the home city, and then we can adjust the hours. As you can see, I am in the 12-hour format because I see PM. You can also press and hold the button on the right in order to speed scroll, and you'll also be able to go backwards. So that is something really cool as well. So let's make it 8 PM. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I'm going to use the speed scroll function once again. Also keep in mind that the seconds are ticking, and that once they pass 60, they are going to add a minute. So let's make it 25. Just like that. I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I can choose between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, which is military time. As you can see, now I no longer see 8 PM, I see 20. So in case you prefer the 24-hour display, you can leave it just like that. I'm going to press the mode button again, and here we are going to arrive at the setting of date. The first thing that we can set is going to be the year. Once again, we can use the speed scroll function. We can also go backwards. So it is going to be pretty easy. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we will be able to set the month. So I'm going to make it September, so the 9th. You can also go backwards. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again, and I'm going to make it the 1st of September. So it is going to be the 1st of September 2030. If I press the mode button once again, here we have the light functions, and if I press it again, we are going to cycle back to the beginning. So we can reset the seconds once again, set the hours, the minutes, and something really cool about this model is that it is going to calculate the day of the week for you. In order to end the process, we are going to press the adjust button, and as you can see, everything is set now. As you can see here on the main display, we have Sunday shown. So the 1st of September 2030 is going to be a Sunday. That is how you set the time and date on your Casio AE-1200WH. In case you also want to learn how to use the world time function, the alarm, the timer, the stopwatch, make sure to watch the full guide, link in the description box below, especially if this is the first time that you use this watch. I'm also going to make a tutorial about how to adjust the bracelet and also how to replace the watch battery, so make sure to check them out, guys. In case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I will see you on the next one.